Tags are added to a case to make them easier to find for further analysis. Automatic tagging, when enabled, applies a tag name to a newly uploaded case that matches the search criteria. Manual tags are added in the tag area on the case summary page. When considering how to tag a case file, it is helpful to create a list of tags with particular attributes that will be followed over time. The example here shows a case file that is tagged by the enterprise as a whole, designated ZOL H for ZOL Hospital, the particular hospital in the system, designated ZOL H1 for ZOL Hospital 1, and the particular area of the hospital, in this case, the ICU. Specific clinical attributes can also be added as tags, such as rhythms displayed, waveforms, and personnel that were involved in the event. The CPR trend page is accessed by selecting CPR trend in the top banner. The CPR trend data is displayed in both a graph and a table format. The options on the left side of the page allow the user to further refine the information that is trended. The interval parameters display data according to the filters selected in the drop-down menu, either daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The patient age group allows the user to select those cases that have been identified as adult, the default setting, pediatric, or infant. By selecting the box "Only cases marked as reviewed," only the cases that have been reviewed will be included in the trended data. Filtering by tags allows the user to show trend data from those cases that have specific tags applied to them. Once all the filtering options have been selected, the Apply box is selected, and the graph and table will be created. The CPR trend graph represents trends in arrests in blue and ROSC, return of spontaneous circulation, in black. The horizontal axis represents the interval that has been selected. The vertical axis represents the number of arrests and ROSC. If you hover over a point on the graph, you can see that particular point's value. Below the graph is a table that represents the aggregate values for all cases selected in the filter option. The first column identifies the metrics retrieved from the selected case files. The second column has the target ranges set by the system administrator. Values represent the averages of all case files in the selected cases. The values in green meet the target values, and those in red are outside the range. Trending allows the user to track one or more metrics over time. Trends can assist in identifying areas for performance improvement and educational initiatives. The user is able to generate a .csv file by selecting the blue box in the upper right corner of the page. The file then generates a zip file containing 3 separate files: the trend export, the advanced trend export, and the filter options.